Yo, what's up guys? This is the Whadafunk Stories vlog, and on this episode I'm going to show you guys how we work on the Whadafunk summer collection hats. We got two new styles coming out. We have the blue trucker drippy hat snapback, and we also have the bleach dyed distressed black strapback. So we got two different styles coming out. I'm going to show you guys the entire process, start to finish, how we make these hats and get them ready and everything. So if you got any questions, hit us up. So I'm setting everything up right now. I got the hats right here. These are the trucker hats, and there's nothing on them right now, but we're going to be sewing these patches on them like that, and hopefully they come out dope. You know, we already did the black trucker drippy hat, and now switch it up and do the blue one. So I'll show you guys the process behind that. These are some thick patches though, so it's kind of hard to sew these. We'll see what happens. Now we just grab the pins that we have right here, try and line it up nice and evenly, and also try not to get stabbed. That's an important step in this process too. Definitely already stabbed myself like 8 times with these pins, but it's part of the game. So we just pin it. I like pinning it in the middle first, just to get the an idea of like where it's gonna be, since that's the hardest part to align. Gotta pop these off, make it easier. Pin it through the middle, then we line it up, make sure it's nice and even. This is one of our logos. This is a cool one. I love this logo because it actually wasn't meant ever to be a logo, and then it's actually turned into a logo just from, you know, how could you not want it to be a logo? Plus, my mother picked this design out. She thought it was cool. Shout out moms. This was her choice of design. That's how it became a logo, actually. Yeah, it's a little bit off. Move it over a little bit more. Right there, looks about right. Nice, alright, that looks pretty good. So we'll leave it at that. And then I like to pin the edges on too, just so it doesn't go crooked while you're actually sewing it. I might do a tutorial on how to sew, maybe. I don't know. If you guys want to learn how to use a sewing machine, let me know. This is, I told myself, so I'm not professional. And I could teach you as well. There we go, all pinned on. It might look a little off right now, but once it's sewn on, you'll see that it is perfect. Yeah, all pinned on. Didn't get stabbed, only a little bit. So there we go. Next step, start sewing, and that's it. Alright guys, so the next hat up we have is this black strap back hat. Distressed. It already came distressed, and I was gonna buy them and then distress them myself, but I found them that you could get them distressed already, so just gets rid of another step that I gotta do, because on this hat it's gonna be like a bleach dye look, and we're gonna sew a label right there, and it's gonna be dope. So I'm excited to show you guys the process. About to mix the bleach with the water in a little spray bottle and then start spraying them up. Alright guys, so I'm going to put 1 cup of bleach and then 1 cup of water, and I'm going to mix them. Yeah, I know it's a styrofoam cup, but it's only 2 seconds. I'm going to mix them in the bottle and hopefully dilute it a little bit so it doesn't burn the hat up too much. Bobby, what are you doing? What are you doing? Get out of here. This is the first batch that we got going, so I don't know how it's gonna come out. Got it in the spray bottle. Gonna be spraying them and seeing what happens. Then we'll try the next batch after. So we'll see what happens. They're all gonna be unique, so that's the cool thing about this. Alright, first batch is drying up. Had to dump out the bleach, I was starting to get a little too crazy. Alright guys, back in the studio now. About to finish on these black bleach dyed distressed hats. We're about to sew the labels in. After we dyed them, bleach dyed them, we kept them in the shade for a bit, about 20 minutes. And then we hosed them down, let them dry. And then right now we're up to the next step. And the next step is sewing the labels on the front to get, we're doing the drip woven label in the front. This is the hat right here, with no label on it yet. This is how they came out after they were washed. I really like how they came out. So yeah, so about to start sewing the labels on the fronts of these, and then you will see the finished product soon. It's cool because each hat is like its own unique style. They're all similar in design, but they're all unique because they're all one of one, because obviously they were dyed by hand. So that's what's cool about these hats especially. And I love how they came out so far. Alright guys, so just finished sewing the hats, and this is them, the finished product. Each one is unique, as you could see, and they all have the label sewn on the front, drip Whadafunk woven label, and they're distressed. They came distressed already, and we added the bleach dye as you've seen, and we sewed the labels in. These hats are all done, and I can't wait for you guys to be wearing them. I can't wait to wear mine. I'm excited. It's probably the coolest hat we made in a while. I mean, I say that every time that we make a new hat, but this is really dope. Let me try and get it better in the not sunlight. Yeah, look at that. That's sick. Really dope. Handmade, DIY action. I know you guys like that. I like that too. So this is the other hat that we made, and I'm gonna show you guys the blue hat too, the finished blue hat. Alright guys, so this is the finished blue hat right here, the blue trucker hat. Trucker snapback. Nice big drippy funk on the front, sewn on patch, nice and thick. This ain't going nowhere. Yeah, so this is the other hat. Want to switch it up with the trucker hat. We were going to do black again, but we figured, you know what, let's add some color into the mix this time around. Let's add blue. So, hope you guys like this. I'm excited to wear this one too. It's a nice one. Go to the beach, chilling, you're on a boat, whatever the case is. So, those are the two hats. Alright, so these are the two hats that are available for the summer Whadafunk collection. Both were exciting to make. I hope you guys like the process, behind the scenes process of us getting these hats ready, getting made. Can't wait for all you guys to be wearing these hats this summer. You know, 2 new styles, never done before, and we're just excited. So hope you guys like this video. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. We need all the followers and subscribers, and if you like it and want to support, just hit that button for us. So thanks guys, have a good one.